Hi, I'm Colleen with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. If you're new, if you're one of my few early subscribers, thank you so much. We're growing now and it's so exciting to see. So thank you for joining us. So I look very beige today, don't I? It's a Sunday that I'm filming this and I've decided to use some products that I'm kind of not loving and give them a second chance. But today we have a brand new product on our 30-day mature skin makeup challenge where I do 30 products from 30 different brands in 30 days. And I know that this is going to bring some color to all this beigeness because it is the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Lipstick from Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez's line, of course. And I know that this is a hugely successful rollout. This product has been really popular. And so I wanted to give it a shot. So we're going to open it up and we're going to get going. And this is going to be our test for today. So here we go. I chose the color Believe. And I am hoping that this is a nice kind of berry shade. I have some orange and I have some pink that I want. So here it is coming out of the box. Sorry, I should have done that for you, but there it is. And I'm sure you've all seen it before. It is really an adorable package. Like, I agree with everybody that it is it's cute. To me, it's cute. And obviously very, iconic. You would find this on your dresser, no problem. On your dressing table, no problem. So I really do like it. The color looks a little darker than I was imagining, so let's give it a swatch. Yeah, it's a little darker than berry. Well, let's see. So I'm just going to put a couple of dots on my hand, like that. And then I'm going to spread it out, because I want to see how it blends. Yeah, see, it's pretty dark. So obviously I don't need very much. Yikes. Well, let's give it a shot. I just want to do a little experiment and see if a beauty blender is the way to go with this, a sponge. Let's just see. You can try it on your hand, right? I think that's what I'm going to do, because look, that's much better. It's still very dark. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a really light hand. I might even use what's left on my fingers here. So let's give that a shot. So here we go. I've got my mirror and I'm just going to use what I had left over on my fingers and just dot it and then blend it out quickly. And hopefully this will work. It is a beautiful product to blend out, that's for sure. It's just a matter of not getting too much. Like, look at that. That blended out really pretty. It's a little bit darker than the shade I was hoping for, but it'll be beautiful year round, I think, with the right lipstick shade. And definitely wearable. So let's try it on the other side. Still have some left on my fingers I'm going to use. Just really quickly. Yeah, it's beautiful. It does have a bit of a oily texture to it. So there we go. It's lovely. It's like a nice little flush. If you do it right, I can see how you would be like, that's too much. But just the tiniest dot blended out is beautiful. Now, I usually like to use my blush on my nose a little bit. Let's see what happens if I do that. Just a tiny touch. I think that works too. Just a lovely light color. So I think it's beautiful. I've got two places to test whether it lasts now, on my hand and on my face. But we're going to do the wear test now. And I'm just going to, like I said, it's Sunday. I'm going to go away and finish my look. But it's a very minimal look today. And I am retesting some products. So I'll let you know about that when I come back with my finished look. So here we go. This is my look for today. It's a Sunday. I'm filming this like I mentioned. So it's a dressed down kind of a day. And I'll probably just take Bonnie for a nice long walk and, you know, do some things around the house. So minimal makeup. And I'll take my glasses off so you can see properly. Today we are testing this beautiful, beautiful blush from Rare Beauty. Here it is again. I'm really impressed with it on first impressions, and I think it's just gone on like a dream, and if it stays and it doesn't fade, it'll be a real winner with me, and I will probably pick it up in more shades. I will list the price for you, and I also wanted to mention to you that I'm wearing a lot of things on my face today that will be listed in the description box below, but what I wanted to let you know is that some of these products that I'm wearing today, I'm giving a second chance to, because I haven't really been that impressed with them, and they're not making it on my favorites list of these 30 products so far that we've been testing. So I want to give them a second shot and try them in different ways. But I am doing that today because it's a Sunday and I have the time to experiment a little. So as always, if you're enjoying this video and the content on my channel, can you please like and subscribe? We're growing our community of fabulous women all over the world. I want us to have a really strong, wonderful, lovely community of amazing women who enjoy beauty and fashion from all corners of this gorgeous planet of ours. So that's my goal. That's my dream. So if you want to be a part of that community, please subscribe, and you can follow us all along on this journey. It's not just my journey, it's everybody's journey. So I hope you consider subscribing. Thanks. So I did want to let you know as well about a few videos that I have coming up shortly. One is I'm going to do my Mother's Day wish list video, because what happens in my family is my children tell me, okay, go online and pick some things out and we will decide what to send to you. So that's kind of the tradition, because they live in different cities and shipping is so outrageous and unpredictable right now. So that's what we do. And so I'm going to go and pick out some things on Amazon and some things from some other companies that I'm partnering with and that I think are beautiful things. And I'm going to send them to my children and share them with you. And then that will be my Mother's Day wish list. And then we can see what they send me. It's always fun. So I'm going to do that. And as well, I am going to do a skincare video coming up shortly, and some more fashion videos. So I know that my fashion shorts have been quite popular so far. I mean, my channel is small, but they have been popular. And so I'm going to do some more fashion videos coming up as well. So stay tuned for all of that. And I'm having a fabulous time doing this, and I want to thank you for joining me. Okay, here we go then. I'm back from the wear test. I took off my jacket because it was too hot, but I put this little scarf on. I'm a big lover of scarves, so I like this one. Anyway, we are here to test the blush. So let me take my glasses off. Here we go. I think it's held up quite nicely. I think it has faded a tiny bit, I would say, but not much. Not much. Still there. Still there, still looks good. Having issues with other things on my face that I've been testing today, but that's not for this video, that's for another video. So here again is the Rare Beauty. This is the shade Believe Liquid Blush. I really like it. I have to say it's a big hit with me, and I probably will go back and try some other colors. When I went to my local Sephora, many of them were sold out, the pink and the orange, and they were sold out. So, but I'm going to keep trying, and I might order them online because I can probably get it online. So links to everything that I'm wearing today, of course, in the description box if you're interested. So here's my Bonnie to say goodbye, as we always do. What are you smelling? It's kind of rude. Anyway, I promised her a bath today. She's very excited. She just loves baths. Anyway, we're going to say goodbye now. Thank you for joining us for this video. And as always, if you like and you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.